I am back here with yet another unboxing video for unboxing this AMD motherboard. This is the AMD motherboard made by Gigabyte with an AORUS series. Model number for this motherboard is B550. This is compatible with AMD processors only with AMD socket AM4. As you know guys, I have been doing a lot of unboxing on my channel for a lot of components to create an ultimate astrophotography image processing rig so as to reduce your image processing time for your astrophotography session. So guys, if you have not seen those videos, I will put the link of the videos above or in the description below for you guys to check it out. So ensure that guys you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or instructions that I have to share. Before we move further guys, if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. So guys, before we move further with the unboxing, let us see what are the information or specifications which are present on the top of the box. So as you know guys, this is the motherboard made by Gigabyte. This is an AORUS series gaming motherboard. The model number for this motherboard is B550 AORUS Pro AC. This is compatible with Ryzen AMD processors only. It contains an AM4 socket. This also is an PCI 4 ready, so it has a PCI port generation 4, NVMe SSD ready, and overclocking supported. So this motherboard can also be used for overclocking for your higher performance. This supports AMD 3rd generation AMD Ryzen desktop ready processor. It is not compatible with AMD Ryzen 5 3400G series and AMD Ryzen 3 3200G series. So ensure that guys, whenever you purchase this motherboard, you have the right version of the processor. So now let us see on the sides what it has to mention. As you can see guys, on the top side it says the model number of the motherboard. It is B550 AORUS Pro AC. It is a gaming motherboard compatible with AMD socket only. So this is AM4 socket compatible. As you can see here, the motherboard can support DDR4 memory. It has a Q Flash Plus and supported with Gigabyte App Center. So now let us see what is there on the other side. On the other side as well, it just have the gaming motherboard model number and basic information. Now let us see on the other side what it has. On the front side as well, it just says the model number and it is compatible with AMD socket AM4. And on the other side as well, this is the same thing. So now let us see at the back of the motherboard what its specifications or information does it provide. Now let us see at the back side of the motherboard what are the specifications or information that is present. On the top it says this is an AORUS series motherboard. Motherboard model number is B550 AORUS Pro AC. It is a gaming motherboard. AMD socket for the processor that it supports is AM4. This is AMD Ryzen supported motherboard. It contains 12 plus 2-phase digital VRAM solution with DRMOS. Advanced thermal design so as to keep your DRAM cool, and a direct touch heat pipe, finds arrays, and 5-watt millikilowatt LAIRD thermal conductivity pad with 2 M.2 thermal guards as well. So whenever you connect your M.2 memory on your motherboard, it is also having a thermal guard on the top so as to keep your M.2 memory sticks cool. So it is PCIe generation 4 hardware design. So it contains one PCIe 4.0 ready PCB. It is PCIe 4.0 for M.2 connector and PCIe 4.0 slot as well. So as you can see, there are two PCIe 4 generation slots, one for M.2 and one for PCIe port. It has a 2.5 gigabyte LAN, so it is 2.5 times faster than a gigabyte LAN. It contains an Intel dual band Wi-Fi 802.11ac supported, and it has a Bluetooth version 4.2 with an external antenna so as to have a better reception. Let us see what are the technical specifications for this motherboard. CPU supported is 3rd generation AMD Ryzen processor. CPU socket AMD AM4. Chipset AMD 550 chipset. Graphics interface is one PCIe generation 4 and 3 both supported. It has a graphics interface for one PCIe generation 4 and 3 supported, so that generation 4 slot can also be used for generation 3. Display interface is HDMI. Memory type supported is dual channel DDR4. memory DIMMs. It has 4 RAM cards that it can support. So the expansion slot which is supported is first generation PCIe 3.0, which is 4 number of slots, 1 PCIe generation 3 support, which is 2 expansion slots, and 2 of PCIe 3 slot with 1 pin. So it is SATA rate supported, 0, 1 and 10. Audio is Realtek ALC 1220 VB. LAN is 2.5 gigabyte LAN. It is USB. It has one USB 3.2 generation 2, USB type C supported, 2 USB 3.2 generation 2 type A supported, 5 USB 3.2 generation 1 supported, and 10 USB 2.0. So it has enough IO ports. The wireless band that it supports is an Intel dual band Wi-Fi 11 AC and a Bluetooth version 4.2. The form factor of this motherboard is a full ATX motherboard with size of 305 by 244. As you can see, there are more technical specification here, but important thing that you can see is it has a stop fan facility. You can flash your BIOS without the need of your CPU. It has a WIMA high-end audio capacitor so as to give you high quality audio. It has dual M.2 slots with a thermal guard so as to keep your M.2 slots cool. It has a dual armor with ultra durable design for PCIe slot and for your RAM slots, so that it has an extra shielded or padded. It is reinforced with steel so as to give an extra strength to your motherboard. It has an ultra durable power connectors for your motherboards, and as you can see, there is a layout for the peripherals here, and it is supported with RGB Fusion version 2.0. So as you know guys, whenever you see this logo, you can control the RGB lighting present on this motherboard, and also you can control the RGB lighting of the peripherals which are connected to this motherboard. So this is it guys, this is what is there on the top of the box. Now let us see the contents inside. Now let's open the box and see what is inside the box. When you first open the box, you can see this is the motherboard itself. It comes under this anti-static packing so as to protect your motherboard from static charges during the transport. Now let us remove this motherboard and see what else is present inside the box. Let's remove the top covering. As you can see guys, here it comes with some of the user manuals and guidelines. Let's keep this aside. It comes with some of the ARGB cable. It comes with the SATA cable for your hard drives. It comes with cable knotting. It comes with your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna. This comes with some of the jumper ports and pin, and this is an additional SATA cable that it comes with. As you can see guys, this comes with some of the stickers as well. As you know guys, this is a gaming motherboard, so it comes with steel sticker you can see here, and also some of the shining plastic stickers that it comes with. So this is it guys, this is what you see inside the box. As you do not have anything further inside the box, let's keep the box aside and see each of the components. Now let us see guys, one by one each of the components that it comes with. Let us start with the user manual. As you can see, it comes with a multilingual installation guide. It comes with the driver CD for your motherboard. It comes with the user manual and some of the safety instruction. So guys, as you know, I will be doing another video on how to install this motherboard correctly and connect the power supply and everything. So I will do a complete installation for you guys on my channel. So ensure that you stay tuned to my channel so that you do not miss out on my future videos. So for now, I will keep this user manual and documentation aside. As I told you guys, this is the gaming motherboard, so it comes with a lot of stickers so as to make your gaming rig look cool. It comes with an additional steel printed sticker so as to give the proper branding on the top of your motherboard, so make sure you use it whenever you do install it. So we'll keep that stickers aside for now. Now let us see one by one what type of cables that it comes with. So as I told you guys, this comes with 2 pairs of 90-degree SATA cables, so you can connect your hard drives or SATA drives with these cables. It comes with an RGB extension cable, so if your RGB cable for your peripherals are not long enough, you can use this RGB extension cable to extend it for a longer distance. This comes with Velcro based AORUS branded ties so as to keep your cabling system inside the cabinet nice and properly organized. So this is the nice addition. It comes with an extension jumper cable so as to have your peripherals connected using this jumper. So this is a jumper connector that you can use while connecting your motherboard to the supply and external peripherals. This comes with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antennas that you can connect, and so that you have a proper reception and proper connectivity wirelessly to your motherboard. So these are all the peripherals that it came along with the motherboard. Now let us look at the motherboard itself. Guys, this is your motherboard. It comes within this shining anti-static plastic packing so as to protect your motherboard from any electric surges during the transport. So this also protects your motherboard from damage. So now let's open and see how the motherboard looks like. So this is it, guys. This is how your motherboard looks like. Let us see some of the components that you have on this motherboard. So you see here you have a CPU power supply. This is where you connect your ATX power supply for your motherboard. Here are your CPU fan, dual CPU fan. This is your ARGB pin slot. This is your RGB pin slot. This is the 4 slot for your RAM. This is the place where you connect your processor. This is 2 M.2 slots where you can connect your memory sticks. These are the 3 PCIe full 16 pin PCIe slot. So first one is generation 4, second and third one is generation 3 slot. Here you have generation 3 mini PCIe slots so as to connect an additional peripherals. So here you have fan connections, and these are the pins where you can connect your IO ports of your cabinets. So here you have your fan connection, additional fan connection ports here. This is USB 3.20 port here that you can connect it to, which can be connected to your cabinet. Here you have USB 1, USB 2, and you have a temperature control, you have an RGB control, you have an ARGB control, and a control connections for your cabinet for audio. So this is where you connect all your audio related pins if you have available on your. So guys, now let us look at some of the IO ports that it has. So it has 6 USB 2.0 port and 4 USB 3.0 port and 1 USB type C and 1 USB 3.2 port generation 2. It has a LAN port with 2.5 GHz speeds. These two pins are for connecting your Wi-Fi antenna and Bluetooth antenna, and you have an SPDIF out, and also you have 5 audio jacks. You have 4 audio line out and a 1 mic input here. This is here, guys. You have a button here for flashing your BIOS without the need of the CPU. So this is an additional extra feature that this motherboard comes in. As you can see, guys, this motherboard is sturdily built. You have proper heat sinks available, and the backplate is pre-installed. On the top you have all the covering and the heat sinks for the important peripherals. As you can see, the RAM slot and the generation 4 PCIe slot is reinforced with steel so as to give an extra durability. So this motherboard is a very durable motherboard. As you know, guys, this is meant for high performance and for gaming. So I would highly recommend you guys to use this motherboard if you are using this AMD processor based PC that you want to build up for your astrophotography or image processing need or for your gaming itself. So I highly recommend to use this motherboard. So this concludes the unboxing of this B550 gaming AMD motherboard. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, do not forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and clear skies.